If your work takes you from appointment to appointment, courthouse to courthouse, or client to client, there's a lot more to keep track of than just getting the job done. Where did you go? How many miles did you drive? What did you charge? What did you spend? And if someone asks for proof later, can you quickly find it? That's exactly why we created FieldLog Pro. FieldLog Pro is a fieldwork record-keeping system from Foster Wealth Ventures, built for professionals whose work happens beyond the desk. It gives you one organized place to document assignments, mileage, fees, expenses, supporting records, and other important job information. Instead of trying to remember everything later, FieldLog Pro helps you build the record while the work is still fresh. FieldLog Pro was designed with independent field professionals in mind, including notaries, process servers, DNA collection professionals, legal runners, court filing professionals, and others who need a dependable record of where they went and what they did. Because when your business happens in the field, your records shouldn't be scattered between notebooks, text messages, receipts, and your memory. When you open FieldLog Pro, your work is organized in one central system. You can quickly see your assignments and access the information connected to each job. The goal is simple. When you need to know what happened on a particular assignment, you shouldn't have to search through several different places to reconstruct the story. Your record is already there. Each job can have its own field record. You can capture the information that identifies the assignment and keep the important details connected to that record. That means instead of writing something down now and trying to organize it later, the information stays attached to the job it belongs to. And as that assignment develops, you can return to the same record and continue building the documentation. For a busy field professional, that can make a major difference, especially when you're handling multiple assignments in the same week or even on the same day. Inside the assignment record, FieldLog Pro helps you preserve the details that may become important later. The job information, the status of the assignment, your fees, mileage, expenses, notes, and supporting information. Think about how easy it is to complete several jobs, and 2 weeks later, struggle to remember the exact details of one particular assignment. FieldLog Pro is designed to reduce that problem. You're creating a business record as you work, not trying to recreate one from memory after the fact. For fieldwork, location matters. An address isn't just a destination. It can be part of the documentation of the assignment itself. FieldLog Pro keeps the job information together so you can connect where you went with the work you performed. And when mileage is part of your business expenses, having those records organized becomes even more valuable when it's time to review your activity. Fieldwork also comes with paperwork, receipts, expenses, supporting documents, and other information can pile up quickly. FieldLog Pro helps you keep those records connected to your work. And with document and receipt scanning support, you can capture information from a document instead of relying only on manual entry. That means fewer loose pieces of paper to remember, fewer disconnected records, and a clearer picture of what each assignment actually cost you. Because knowing what you earned is important. Knowing what you spent to earn it is important too. FieldLog Pro can also be configured around your own business information, helping your records reflect the way you operate. And because the system is designed specifically around field activity, the information you're saving has a purpose. This isn't just another place to type notes. It's a record-keeping system built around the work you actually perform. And your records shouldn't be trapped inside the app. When you need your information outside of FieldLog Pro, you can export your records. That can help with your own business review, bookkeeping, mileage documentation, expense tracking, or simply maintaining an additional copy of your field activity. Instead of rebuilding your records at the end of the month, you've been creating them all along. FieldLog Pro isn't about adding more work to your day. It's about making the work you're already doing easier to document. One assignment, one mileage record, one receipt, one expense, one piece of proof at a time. So when you need the information later, you're not depending on memory. You have a record. If you're a field professional and you're ready to bring more organization to the business side of your work, take a closer look at FieldLog Pro. Track the work, document the details, keep the proof. FieldLog Pro, built for professionals who work beyond the desk. From Foster Wealth Ventures.